Okay, right now my makeup looks crazy. I know. Trust me, trust the process. I was scared, but I know that I do trust my micro smooth multitasking face powder, and this is from the Sephora collection, and this is in the shade Sienna. I'm just gonna use it to blend all the hash lines, and this is what it looks like. So let's see what this can do. Okay, I'm a little bit scared, but let's see. Oh, what did I just do? Guys, I almost scripted everything out. Oh my god, this is too much now. Oh my god, this problem is gonna get worse. Oh my god, I don't want to make things worse. Okay, let's try this. Did you see that? Did you see it? This is so good. This is so good. So I'm just using that in the... Oh my god, this is so good. I'm just blending out all the hash lines. This is so good. Let's do the same with the other side. Like, come on. Hash line where? Hash line where? I'm gonna use the same powder to contour my nose. Simple eyeshadow. We are gonna start with my smooth powder, and this is from the Sephora's collection and in the shade Sienna. This is the same shade that I use to blend all my makeup, and this is the multitasking baked face powder in the shade Sienna. So I'm just using that all over my eyelid. I use the same color to contour my nose. So I'm just gonna place that all over my eyelid. And I'm going in with this shimmer lipstick. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is a shimmer lipstick, and this is Man Eater from Juvia's Place. So I'm just gonna take this, and I'll be using my fingers for this. Just tap a little bit and place that all over my eyelid. Look at this, so pretty. So I'm just gonna place that all over my eyelid, and this color is so pretty, guys. Look at it. Look at it. This is so pretty. I love the color. It's just perfect. Darker pencil. Use the same powder to smudge my waterline. Mascara. Half lashes.